Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video, we will look at some of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer. The Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to provide healthier cooking options with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. It employs Max Crisp technology, delivering superheated air at 450 degrees to cook foods up to 30% faster, resulting in hotter and crispier dishes with minimal oil usage, with a generous 5.5 QD ceramic-coated nonstick basket and crisper plate. This air fryer has an XL capacity, capable of accommodating up to 3 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. The 7-in-1 functionality expands its capabilities, offering Max Crisp, Air Fry, Air Roast, Air Broil, Bake, Reheat, and Dehydrate programs to suit various cooking needs. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer Oven. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer Oven is a kitchen powerhouse, offering 6-in-1 functionality to air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate with ease. Its clear cook window and internal light allow you to keep an eye on your culinary creations without opening the basket, ensuring you have full control over the cooking process. Equipped with Even Crisp technology, this appliance ensures optimal airflow for a perfect golden finish, delivering crispy and tender results every time you cook. The progress bar feature keeps you informed about where you are in the cooking process, providing messages on when to add or turn your food for the best outcome. Number 3. Dash Compact Air Fryer. The Dash Compact Air Fryer is a game-changer in the realm of healthier cooking. It employs air crisp technology to fry your favorite foods without the need for excessive oil, slashing added fat by an impressive 70 to 80%. Bid farewell to the lingering smell of fried food hours after your feast. This appliance is a time-saving wizard. With a 2QT capacity fryer basket, setting the temperature and timer is all it takes to ensure consistently crispy results every single time. And the best part? It's quicker than preheating your oven, making it a beacon of energy efficiency. Safety is a top priority with the Dash Compact Air Fryer. The auto shut-off function prevents overcooking, and the cool touch housing and handle make it user-friendly. This makes it a versatile choice for picky eaters, large families, or anyone juggling a hectic schedule. From appetizers to desserts, from a dozen chicken wings to a pound of French fries, and even baked goods, all ready within minutes of setting the timer. Number 4. Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The Cuisinart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to elevate your cooking experience with its premium features. With a powerful 1800-watt capacity, it offers a wide range of functions, including air fry, bake, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, roast, dehydrate, proof, low, dual cook, reheat, and warm. The temperature range extends from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, providing flexibility for various cooking needs. In terms of capacity, this appliance is spacious enough to air fry up to 3 pounds of food, toast 6 bagel halves, roast a 4-pound chicken, or bake a 12-inch pizza. The 0.6 cubic feet interior comes with a large viewing window and an interior light, allowing you to monitor your cooking progress easily. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid 13-in-1 Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functionalities of a pressure cooker and an air fryer in one. With an impressive 13-in-1 capability, it can handle various cooking tasks such as air frying, pressure cooking, sautéing, slow cooking, steaming, warming, roasting, baking, broiling, dehydrating, yogurt making, sous vide, and bread proofing. What sets this Instant Pot apart is its unique air fryer feature, allowing you to enjoy the crispy texture of fried foods with a significantly lower amount of oil, thanks to the Even Crisp technology. The stainless steel air fryer cover not only adds durability but also keeps the air frying heating unit clean during pressure cooking.